No one likes a dirty car, especially one with streaked, greasy windows. In fact, it doesn't matter if the rest of your car is absolutely spotless, if you neglect your glass, your ride won't shine to its full potential. Plus, having dirty windows is a safety hazard as it can affect your visibility while driving. There's an easy solution. A high-quality car glass cleaner will help you keep your windows streak-free and crystal clear. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car glass cleaner. So let's get started. Number 5. Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Window Glass Cleaner. Meguiar's is one of the most recognizable names in car care, and it's because of products like Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner, which delivers a spotless, streakless showroom shine and windows so clean, you might actually forget they're there. This car window cleaner is specially formulated to keep your glass cleaner for longer, thus reducing the time and effort needed to keep your car showroom ready. It is also easy to use. Simply spray and wipe away to leave your auto glass crystal clear and residue-free. One additional feature that car collectors are sure to love, and that makes this product stand out from the other glass cleaners on the market, is its dust repellent technology, which prevents dust from clinging to the glass surface. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Signature Series Car Glass Cleaner. The Chemical Guy's Signature Series Car Window Cleaner is the ideal car glass and auto window cleaner for professional detailers and regular car owners alike. It is specially formulated to dissolve grime, grease, and dirt to increase your visibility out your windows and the clarity of your side mirrors. Use it to erase fingerprints, smudges, streaks, spots, and stains from all of your auto glass. It contains no noxious chemicals or ammonia and delivers nothing but a streakless, spotless windshield. You can also use it on plastic, gauges, and navigation screens. Apply this cleaner by spraying it directly onto your car glass or onto a microfiber towel. Then simply wipe it away, and it removes all the grime that had been obscuring your vision. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Griot's Garage Ultra Premium Foaming Glass Cleaner. Griot's Garage developed the original invisible glass cleaner, so they know a thing or two when it comes to car window cleaner. Griot's Garage Ultra Premium Foaming Glass Cleaner is a well-rounded auto glass cleaner that works exceptionally well on bug residue, grease, and automotive grime. Bug jerky and smoker's fog can leave your windows covered in a disgusting film that dangerously reduces visibility. This powerful degreasing foam stays on the window longer, allowing it to cut through even the most stubborn grime. It even comes in a fresh citrus scent, so you can enjoy the smell of oranges while you watch the powerful cleaning agents dissolve every last inch of road grime from even the most weathered windows.
What?
Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. 3M Car Care Glass Cleaner. 3M Car Care Glass Cleaner is a powerful car window cleaner that is specially formulated to dissolve dirt, smudges, and bug splatter for crystal clear automotive glass. It contains cleaning agents that have been chemically engineered to soften sticky grime and residue, so it can be effortlessly wiped away. Using this car glass cleaner is exceptionally easy too. Its no-drip foaming action clings to vertical surfaces, providing a no-mess application and streak-free cleaning action. And it is safe for use on all car glass, including tinted windows. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner and Rain Repellent. The feature that sets the Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner and Rain Repellent apart, even from the high-performance auto window cleaners on this list, is the addition of a specially designed rain repellent. This rain repellent seals the microscopic fissures and pits that riddle the surface of your automotive glass. The sealing process fills the low areas of your auto glass, eliminating the places where water can cling to your window. Rain repellent not only prevents water from drying and leaving unsightly mineral deposits, but also enables your windshield wipers to work more effectively. The superior cleaning offered by this product leaves nothing but a streakless finish and a surface that is ideally suited to repel everything from rain to bird droppings. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best car glass cleaner just for you.